Okay, how are you?
Feeling great. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. Okay, let's start with the math. What's the difference between median and mode?
So like median is basically like an average, uh, average of all values in our data set. Mod is tell you so we have, for example, uh, like 9 assorted values. So our mod will be like the middle value, basically.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, no problem. And okay, let's assume that you are scrolling a fair dice. What's the probability that you have some for sum of 7?
Sum of 7.
Yeah. You are scrolling two fair dice at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
The probability of getting sum of 7.
So that will be like dependent events. Our two dices.
Mhm.
So to get like 7, we can have 6, 1, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
1, 6.
Can you explain me your solution way?
So like basically, like for our first dice, we can get any number.
Okay.
Yeah, from 1 to 6.
Okay.
And
Tell me the cases that you get sum of 7.
like 1, 6, 5, 2, 3, 4. Huh?
Only the cases that when you get sum of 7. So when the first dice is 1 and the second is 6,
6.
you get 7. So this is
Yes.
1.
Yeah.
So the second, when first dice is 2 and the second
2,
one is 5,
5.
it's again 7. So it's
Yeah.
second case. Third case is when the first dice
3.
is 3
Oh,
and
wait.
other
Yeah,
one 4.
I got it.
So
3
this
and
is
4.
third case.
Yeah,
The
we have
fourth
3
case is 4 3,
is 4, 3,
and the fifth case
5,
is
5, 2,
6 5 2 and 6 1.
6, 1.
So we have in total 6 cases, right?
Yep.
I mean 6 possible cases. No, 6 cases that satisfy our
Yeah, and we have
rule.
a total of 36 cases.
Uh-huh. So what's the
So
answer?
1, 6.
Wow, 6. Yeah. So I want to ask you to explain your method. So that's and what's A/B testing?
So like it's a hypothesis testing. So
Mm-hmm.
we have like it's widely used like in marketing and all these things. Yeah. So for example, we have some we want to make a new version of something, for example,
Mm-hmm.
website of pushes of something, and we want to test will this new should this new feature be added to our original version, and we can perform A/B testing. So we select a group of people who would receive our, for example, original push, and a group of people who would receive a new push, and based on our desired result, that we can calculate should this new feature be added or not.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mhm. What's the difference between where and having clause in the SQL?
Workflow, they basically the same, but
Mm-hmm.
workflow like for example, we are sorting our table somehow, and Workflow will be sorting like in time of creating this new table, and so we have like, for example, we have a table T, and in Workflow, when we will be going by rows, it will be sorting it. But heaven acts after creating this new temporary table. Yeah. So firstly, like the query will execute, will create a new table, and only after this, heaven claw will sort it.
Okay. What's ETL process?
ETL, it's extract, transform, load. Is basically is a process of moving and cleaning data from different sources. Yeah, so we extract data from different sources, then we transform it somewhere else. So we append it, merge it, clean them, and then we upload it to Wayload to our data warehouse.
Okay. What's your experience with Python?
My experience?
Yeah, do you use Python?
Yes.
For a data analysis.
Yes.
So what's the difference between lock and iLock functions?
So
message?
iLog selects like rows that we need. So it can be one or range of rows.
So selects what? Sorry, I missed.
Rows.
Okay.
Rows. And log probably selects columns. I haven't used it probably.
You haven't used lock? All right.
No.
Okay. How you import CSV to the pandas data frame?
So we have a command pd pandas dot read csv.
What's a DAX in Power BI?
DAX is basically like a query language for making calculated columns and measures in Power BI.
So which visualization, which BI tools are you best at?
I'm mostly familiar with Power BI.
It's Power BI.
Yeah.
Cool. What's Power Query?
So like Power Query is like basically like the first stage of creating a report. So in Power Query we like we can like upload our data sets or like connect to a database. So basically we're getting data, and there using like how is it called Power M query language, we can make like first cleaning and basically EDA for this says like so we can change variable names, change column names, change table names, add new columns, transform columns, see some like statistics about the variables, like what's the mean, what's mode. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have experience with ClickSense and Informatica?
ClickSense?
Yeah, or
No.
Informatica. No.
No.
But what about Looker?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Do you have experience?
Like around a week
uh,
ago, yeah, we discussed.
Around a week ago, yeah. Cool. So which cloud experience do you have? Or do you have any?
I don't have any.
I haven't. Okay, cool. And any work experience?
No,
Work
I don't.
experience? No.
No.
So you haven't met with agile methodology and etc.
So basically, like I know what they about, but I can't say that I had them in real life experience. So Yeah, I can tell you.
Yeah, tell me.
So like basically like Agile is like one of the models how team works and how it communicates with stakeholders. So like Agile method, like the pros of Agile method, like is like to have a lot of communication with stakeholders to let them know where you're at, what changes have you done. Like it's pretty like uh, you often update stakeholders as it's usually based on scrums. So Scrum is basically like a method in agile model.
Mhm.
So it's usually like up to 2 3 weeks. Yeah, and like the basically like the idea of Scrum is to make like a significant change in your project that will be visible to your stakeholder. Yeah.
Hmm. The final question is about the Git. Do you have Git account or any Git experience?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, you have. So you post your projects there, or
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
And I worked also like in a team. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Hmm.
That's all. Thank you for your time.
Have we passed or not?
So I didn't know that answer,
Mhm.
but so when I compare your knowledge level with the requirements, you are good. But
Mhm.
so yeah, so there is a special matrix that I will fill and I'll send it to HR and they'll decide.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, cool. Thank
Well,
you.
yeah, bye.